Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it tonight. And of course, for those of you joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, like I said earlier on, we will be analyzing the market. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities or analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M train Milka trading tools, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame. This started a downtrend right from this resistance, and you can see the sell signal right here in the trend, the downtrend signal right here. It kept on selling until it got to this support zone. It took some time before it broke out from this support zone. It played around there for a while, so it broke out around there and it kept on selling. We got reassuring signals right here, and of course it is still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, it might go back into a buy trend, but for now it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500 on 5-minute time frame. Right from this resistance zone, it started the downtrend. We got a sell signal right from here and a sell trend right from here. It kept on selling and selling and selling. Okay, it has got into this support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, then definitely it will be going back into a buy trend. So it's trying to try out this support zone all over again. So this is still selling at the moment, but it might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction of the market into a buy trend. Okay, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This had been on uptrend right from here, but still it got to this region, so it crashed down. It will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it will continue to buy. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and just the way we've seen it. Okay guys, we will notice that this has been on downtrend for a very long time, even though it went uptrend right here, but was unable to break out below this resistance zone, so it started crashing down. So it is still selling at the moment, okay, until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will continue with the buy trend. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be the last one for today, is volatility 75. Okay, just where we have seen it, right from this resistance when it started a downtrend, we got a sell signal right here, so till it got to this region, and of course these also gave us so many sell signals, and of course sold also till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from this support zone, so it's trying to pull back up. If it breaks out above this support, resistance zone, then that means it's going to buy more. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.